Creating an AI-first mindset for non-programmers means learning to see artificial intelligence not as a complex technology, but as an everyday partner for problem-solving, creativity, and growth. You don't need to understand coding or algorithms to think like an AI innovator. You just need curiosity, adaptability, and the willingness to explore how AI can enhance what you already do best. Let's start with the idea of an AI-first mindset. It's a way of approaching challenges by asking, how could AI help me do this faster, better, or smarter? Instead of viewing AI as a replacement for human work, this mindset focuses on collaboration, using AI to amplify your thinking, decision-making, and creativity. For example, if you're a teacher, AI can help design lesson plans or create personalized quizzes. If you're an entrepreneur, AI can analyze competitors or draft marketing campaigns. If you're in customer service, AI can help summarize feedback and suggest solutions. Thinking AI first means seeing these tools as built-in parts of your workflow, not as external add-ons. To develop this mindset, start with awareness. Learn what AI can and cannot do. AI excels at pattern recognition, summarization, and generation, but it lacks judgment, emotion, and lived experience. By knowing its strengths and weaknesses, you can use it wisely and confidently. Next comes experimentation. The best way to learn AI is by using it. Try prompting different AI tools to help you write, brainstorm, or plan. For instance, generate 3 innovative ideas for improving my team's communication, or summarize this article in bullet points. Each experiment teaches you how to communicate better with AI, refining your prompting skills and unlocking new insights. A key part of an AI-first mindset is integration. Think about how AI can fit naturally into your daily routines. You might use ChatGPT for idea generation in the morning, Canva's AI for visual design in the afternoon, and Descript for video editing in the evening. These small integrations compound into massive productivity gains over time. Another important element is collaboration. AI works best when paired with human creativity and emotional intelligence. You bring the vision, ethics, and empathy. AI brings the data, structure, and speed. Together, you form a powerful partnership that balances imagination with precision. Building an AI-first mindset also means overcoming fear. Many people hesitate to use AI because they think it's too technical or that it might take away jobs. In reality, AI doesn't replace human intelligence. It extends it. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI, not against it. Learning how to guide and shape AI outputs will be one of the most valuable skills of the coming decade. To strengthen this mindset, practice asking better questions. Great results come from great prompts. Instead of saying, write an email, try write a persuasive email inviting small business owners to attend a free webinar about productivity. The clearer your intent, the more effective the AI's response. Finally, cultivate a mindset of lifelong learning. The AI world evolves quickly, and the best way to stay ahead is to keep exploring new tools, reading about innovations, and sharing experiences with others. Join online communities, take short AI courses, and apply what you learn immediately to real-life tasks. In short, creating an AI-first mindset isn't about mastering technology. It's about mastering curiosity. It's about seeing AI not as a mystery, but as an everyday ally. When non-programmers adopt this mindset, they transform from passive users into empowered innovators, ready to lead in a world where human creativity and machine intelligence work hand in hand.